Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside the Messages app. Open it now and make sure iCloud Messages is on so results sync across devices. Once done, identify the contact or keyword you need, a name, phone number, or a unique term. Make sure you decide whether to search globally or inside one thread. Searching inside a conversation is faster when you already know the sender. Now position your thumb near the top of the screen to reach the search field. Once you swipe down to reveal the search bar, type the keyword, name, phone number, or even an emoji. You can use partial words if you're unsure of spelling. Make sure to watch the live results as Messages highlights matches and groups them by conversation. This helps you spot the correct thread quickly. After you see the right result, tap it to jump directly to that message inside the conversation. If nothing appears, broaden your keyword or try alternate spellings. After you tap a result, scroll up or down to get context and confirm it's the right message. Sometimes the exact line appears off-screen and you need to view surrounding texts. Make sure to check the conversation's media or links view when you're hunting for photos or attachments instead of plain text. If messages are missing, check iCloud sync status and device search permissions, and verify you haven't restored from a backup that excluded old.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.